Hey folks, this is Mark with Inbound Revenue. I'm going to go through two more Atlanta reports. This one is Atlanta roofing. So we look at Google Ads competition in one city, one niche. The city this time is Atlanta. The niche is roofing. You can see the keywords that we used: roof replacement cost, roof repair near me, roof replacement, best roof company, roofers, etc., etc., etc. As you can see, there's a lot of advertisers. Let's see what our competition is. We run these for one 24-hour period. This is the most competition I've seen for a niche here yet in Atlanta. You can see we had up to 15 advertisers in one time period here. So that's a lot of advertisers, and you expect that in the roofing space. Competition is pretty heavy with D-Roof and maybe a local company at the top. Let's take a look. You don't get as many national advertisers in the roofing space as you do in some of the other spaces. Let's take a look at the advertisers, see who ran the most here. We've got Call Georgia Roof Advisors. Let's see what type of ads they're running. Same day roof leak repairs. I can't say that. Free repair estimates, roof damage repair estimates. We service all types of roofs. Same day, best price. Hey, at least I have some claims and stuff. I don't see an offer in there. Got some extensions. Let's see what their landing page looks like. Load, load, load. Ooh, site can't be reached. Let's try that again. That's not good at all. Okay. Wow. Let's take a look at the next one. Dr. Roof. That sounds like it could be a national roof repair, free estimates, comprehensive roof repair, $50 off roof repair. Okay, it's $50. It's not much, but it's a repair. So let's see if they're local. Comprehensive roofing care for your Atlanta home. Okay, they've got a phone number, a form. That's decent. Decent landing page. You know they're an Atlanta roofing company. So that's all good. Let's look at the next advertiser in the list. That's Rhino Roofs. Oh, that sounds like a national too. They must sell 5-star. Well, maybe not. Let me take a look at it. Rhino Roofs. Some sort of franchise type of thing, more than likely. But a nice landing page. Very nice. Trust symbols, form. Lots of above the fold logo. That's exactly the way I like to see it. So I guess the thing to know in the Atlanta area is if you get into running ads here, it's going to be competitive. But roofing is always a competitive space. It's far from the most competitive space I've seen for this niche. So if you're an advertiser, jump in, run some Google Ads. If you guys have any Google Ads questions at all or comments, drop them below in the comments below. Look us up at inboundrevenue.com. I'm Mark Kelly. Once again, it's great to hang out with you.